This is Jamaica. Yo. Now, Jamaican, along with most people globally controlled by the Freemasons and the government and religion, are not too bright. They talk a lot and think little. And it takes years to bring them to this state of stupidity and blindness to worship the gods who are nothing but devils. I found a postage stamp for Jamaica celebrating 250 years of Freemasonry. And those are the people behind the Illuminati people. Hussein, Squash, the six boss them, Cartel, Popcorn, Ding Dong, Mavado, and many more became a part of. 250 years goes back into slavery. Now, so from 1742 to 2019, that are basically 277 years, Jamaica under the control of them people here. Do some research, people. And the cover of the newspaper, which the private masters who control Andrew, the government, in totality and everything else around us, under the impression that God gave them this right. It states with a picture of our demon minister saying, prosperity for all. Now, if prosperity means you are going to suffer more, and more of you are going to get killed, and tax are going to raise, and them are going to raise the cost of living for you, and keep leading to you to the slaughterhouse of the Antichrist, because you're stupid and can't see what them do, because you choose not to, then people, please say no. Say no. How much years will you keep on and get feed with them words of comfort, say, about prosperity from the government standard and standpoint? It's not for you, the general public, but for them and the private sector who controls them. No one check the registrar department website, which plainly tells you that them a change over the whole RGD to provide the NIDS identification system. So it a go name NIRA, or National Identification Registration Authority. That's how RGD a go change to. And them a come in every community and document every human being. This is not of your creator people. Only the Antichrist and the private sector want to chip you so them can monitor everyone with them e-governance thing, which is controlling the human being using a digital system. So like technology, you go get hooked up to the internet, as they are doing with the cell phone them, the smart TV, games, the card them, credit card, debit card, social media, yeah, it works. Funny enough, this system was created specifically for Jamaicans, the NIDS system, from the Newfoundland of Israel. So why would Israel be interested in Jamaicans? Because they are prepared for the Antichrist people. Researchers, see people. And Andrew is a big part of them team. He do an interview where he said Israel are going to set up a cyber center in Jamaica. So the man who interview him asked, is there any other plan or agenda that you and the Israeli people have for Jamaicans? Him say, him cannot disclose that. So the interviewer asks him, is it that you cannot disclose it or you don't want to disclose it? Him keep his mouth shut. That clearly tell you that these people are not for you. We have seen this behavior of silence already from Mr. Hussein Bolt, who sell out to the Illuminati. And him have him hand over him mouth shh, because them know some things where you don't know, but you can know, but you think them have not know over you, or you choose to stay so. No, everything even start out innocent. The white man in Africa pretending to be peaceful and giving the black people them gift, them putting each tribe against each other, watching them kill each other while them take over them land and resources and enslave them, then them give them disease to try kill them off and wipe them out. The chicken gun and Zika and hand, foot and mouth disease are Ebola ring and the bell people. These people always have an antidote for the disease where them release. So only you get affected or dead. Music start out innocent too. Nothing about violence, chasing vanities, killing people, disrespecting women and treating them like dogs. Everything mankind thought was okay. Take a nasty spin now. And just like how they punish the pitney, them tell them say if them don't have smart card, them can't travel upon the government bus unless them have to go pay adult fare. I saw them have to freeze your pension, healthcare and everything where you depend on from the government instead of your creator. You just live a cycle, 16 hours of work, few hours of sleep, a little bit for it, them provide you with entertainment, them give you your religion, for connection to the feed them devils instead of who create you, them give you altered news, even the direction where you walk. Till your death come, and them give you it. The Chinese, them come here, establish themselves, them get loan to build them out business, buy house, buy car. And so the Indians, them too. And everyone else, except the black man, get treated like disease. And them not even get trusted for loans. And if them do get Chinese, them don't even pay a tax. The only way you make it in this your life is if you join them people here in the evils where them are doing worship, the devils them where them are worship. And I worship the idols and images them where the devils tell them for worship so them can gain his favor and for be gay with each other. This is Jamaica. Yo, my people, when you wake up You can like the channel, subscribe, and comment. But please, people, wake up. Reality. And hit the notification bell, guys. We have more to come.